ꯄꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯂꯐꯣ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ ꯚꯣꯂꯟꯇꯤꯌꯔꯁ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯀꯥꯞꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ISTV Manipuri Pambideng Tabiri Pumna Mokpu Taram Nokchari Pau Sanona Pizari None District ki Lafo Village tang se yupung tare lom tabada Naga Village Volunteers amadi Security Force ki marakta nongmai kapna kre hairi Security Force adu CRPF amadi Cobra Commando ki kangbu gani hairi makha tana nongmai kapna kre mafam aduda ahen ba Security Force sing junction kre hairi nongmai kapna baduda so open yabugi pau di fangdri kayo mawala kayo Manipur ki Puwari ka Tanathana Yadana Laklaba None District Headquarters dagi Kharom da kilometer tara marirom chatlaga leiriba Hauchong khul chatpagi lambi asi athuba matamda lenga ki mari leinaba singna sembiu haina khul asi ki khunja sing ki maike dagi appeal tawrakli leimarembi kumudini na Chandrakriti ningthauna angang oiringai matamda lotuna thamkhibagi Puwari shu leiriba khul asigi matang da Hauchong khul gi chairman Napi Khumbana Tampaka Khwaidagi Naknaba Chingi subdivision ama oiriba Hauchongi headquarter ki office singshu leiriba khul ashi Enpui Furup ki Yumkok Chani Rom lei loinana khul ashiga thangnana khul kaya amasu leiribani None district headquarter gi Kharom da kilometer tara mari rom sangba lambi asi phaurga chatpa ngaktani adubu khul asina hek loirakpa matamdagi hek leirakpa matamdagi None dagi khul ashi tariba lambi asi lengakna koilas amuk phauba thakiba leitri lengakna midieng changdaba sina maram oiraga khunja singna matamgi sel khaina duna lambi asi semduna lakbani adubu koilas thadaba sina maram oiraga tampakta chatpada minatara faudang oigadaba kilometer tara marirom sang balambi asi pungama makhaidagi ani fawba changhalle adusu nongchubu matamdadi landslide thoktuna lambi phaunaba yadaba kyasu yauri maram asina maike somgi khunja singi awaba adu yenglaga athuba matamda khul asigi lambi asibu matamga chunaba maongda semgat piyu loinana khul asida saraga ngashi fawba mapung phana loishindana leiriba Hausong subdivisional headquarter ki office asisu athuba matamda loishinduna mafam ashida office hangdoktuna miyamda kanaba pibiyu haiki
1980 onward tagi paisa se yumthong de khaigaldaga contractor gi bulldozer poraga khoi individual aina kakchabani hoji lerib lambi se masi kakpo loiram matung su government mi eng changbi de akhoi gi area digi joint memorandum so khoi government da concern department da thai adigi emle da thai adubo hojik pawba ola thabi se thabak se amatta su pai khat pide lambi thong phatamna manam oraga ana ayek tho agasu lambi phatamni na trembling dobni na asiana su yam yawe aduna masi gi lambi se athuba matamda hojik leiriba government sina widening tawningba adigi upgrade tawningba jaga su yamna leri upgrade tawdom phamda tawbiu diversion tawdom phamda tawbiu adagi black topping se athuba matamda tawbiu haibse hojik leiriba government da khoi hajaning bani
Coordinating Committee on Disturbance Free Educational Zone Demand na tha machupna pangthokadaba Disturbance Free Educational Zone Demand campaign asigi makha chatharapo oina ngarang Bishnupur district ki oinam government higher secondary school da pangthokre awareness adugi matungda mahairoi singna school gi gate mamang da leptuna Disturbance Free Educational Zone Demand gi kholaw sing shu laukre Success School Chingarel Tezpur Shawombungda Annual Students Exhibition Pangthokre Success School na shilaga school asigi mahairoi chani rom na makhoida leijaba heisingba innovative project sing amadi hotna bakanba ulkiba exhibition aduda school asigi manang nakpada leiba School Friendship Educational Academy Khurai Leshemba Mahaikol Kangla P Namjoglung High School Shawombung the newly signed Kids Dynamic English School Itam Nungoi Golden Valley Academy Kaivi Success School Khurai Shalanthong gi mahairoi amadi oza sing su saru yaki Success School gi principal Dr. T.S. Sunil Deva Singna exhibition adu da saru yakiba mahairoi singna utkhiba hai singba amasong hona bakanba adubu thagat fungdoki loina na mahairoi singbu lamjing liba school ashigi teaching amadi non teaching staff singbu su thagat fungdoki Paugi marak thana tema brem dang loksari
Free varicose veins consultation camp lakadoriba July ki tarik 19 dagi August ki tarik 1 phawba Shija Hospitals Langolda free varicose veins consultation camp pangthok jagadori adomna khongi sarukta singli chawthokpagi layong asi lebiragadi numit sing asida lengbirakduna khudongchaba asi lobihau laser treatment amadi investigation singdasu matik jaba discount pizagani akupa marogi damak Shija Hospitals Langol natraga 9611609611 da paw phobiro.
Birtigan Rajat University, Kanchipur, Southview, Imphal West. Admission is going on for various graduate and postgraduate courses, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Diploma of Pharmacy, and Special B.Ed, HIVI and ITT. For details, kindly visit the campus or contact the numbers below.
Honglakliba punsigi lambi sida araiba chaba yaba makhai sasinari. Aduna hidak langthak kayama chadaba yarakte sasilliba singduna adomgi liver da kayam sokhalli khangbibra. Liver nabu soklaba chaning thakningba phawdaba puk nungaitaba khong hamba nungairakaba amadi kuchu kumen senghallakti khuding maksibu ngakthok ke hairabadi Jolip 100% natural syrup amadi capsule.
Jolip 100% natural syrup and capsule.
Institute of Cooperative Management, Imphal, NCCT, Ministry of Cooperation, Government of India. Admission open for session 2026-2027. 37th Higher Diploma in Cooperative Management, HDCM, last week of July 2026. Eligibility, any graduate. Hostel facilities available.
Matamgi nungsit nungsa amadi ayinga sana maram moiraga lok tungba amadi khubana singba tatana thohalli pumna maksibu khudakta phanba ngamlaba Capidon cup syrup 100% herbal product ni lok khubada natana nakmahi chelaba amadi khangnaw mareng chatlaga lok kangkhu khuraba Capidon cup syrup thakpiu Capidon cup syrup.
Breaking matong mukahana taram nokcheri makhataba pauda older persons driving local and global action our aspirations our well-being and our right have a team da chahi sigi oiba observance of International Day of Older People ki thoram non-communicable diseases NCD cell Bishnupur amadi District Health Society Bishnupur ani na sinduna fuwala da leiba Ayushman Arogya Mandir fuwala da pangthokre nomugi oina free health check-up camp amaga loina na pangthokhiba thoram aduda Chawrakna Fubala Kungangi Ahal Oirabashing Yauna Miyoi Lishing Amagachamgarum da analayingi oiba kanabashing pinki tung da loktak maru harau shanglen dap thauram ashiga mari leinana fubala khulgi ahal oirabashing da acham khudol pot piduna thauram ashima kha chathaki thauram madu da CMO Bishnupur Dr. L Rai Chandra District Nodal Officer and PHCE Bishnupur Dr. Resma Saugaijam Amadi DNO and TCP Bishnupur Dr. Johnson Moirang Them na thauram pushing oina saru yakibaga loinana ahal oirabashing da khudol pot sing yen thoktuna ahal oiraba singbu ikai khumna utki thauram asiga iroinana NCD cell amadi District Health Society Bishnupur anigi makhada National Tobacco Program ga mari leinana nomugi oiba tobacco free village initiative awareness camp amasu pangthokki CMO Bishnupur Dr. L Rai Chandra na phongdokhibada chahi yamlaklaba ahal singbu masama u phana lehanba makhoi bu chang naine health check-up tauba haibasi taudaba yadraba thaudang amani maram aduna makhoi ne health center da chatuna health check-up tauba haibasi thabak ama oibana ngamdaba kya su yaudaba nate adugumba kaya adudagi koknanabagidamag health camp amaga loinana International Day of Older People gi thawramashi pangthokpani haiki
ngasi kem ama silaga sida laga doctor gi team ga thimi se ga phajana mi chi yengthopiraga anopo yengthopje si yam thaganinga yam harawninga ni heba ahan orpa singdi hujikandi sinjangna ni khangde mai khu season ni khangde ahan orum kande di chak sari ba kholi ba mayam je diet se loina makhan gi torabani na hujiti hana matanga tre BP wang ba hengale diabetic leiba hengale maruina aduga suma mayam se ngantana taktoga ida ko lena bibesi yam athopa pandam amane bese
Mandingbam Jadumani 29 Commonwealth Games boxing gi semi-final changduna medal bout changkre Scotland gi Glasgow tha shigi tangkunga humdoi dagi chatharakli ba kunga mapal fauba Commonwealth Games gi ngarang athengbada sanakhiba kilogram yankhai manga gi quarter final bouta India represent tawriba Manipur gi international boxer Mandengmam Jadumani na Jamvia gi boxer Weng Mawela bu point manga 0 da maithiba piduna medal bout changkhibani loshilakpada maruiba pa omukha na pizari Lafo village tangasi ayong Naga village volunteers amadi security force ki maragta nongmay kapnakre hairi. How's the Noon-Istv episode ni Pro matang solution jari meeting tabiram ni pumna mangpum kana kurumjari.